Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place. See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we don't need no ladder. Gaza Nation. When you find the Gaza station, welcome to the channel. I'm Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasons for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, I remind you now. But click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a shape on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, it not get no plainer than this. But first and foremost, if a big up Vybz Kartel, putting out some motivational music for the youths in the ghetto. A track titled True Champ, featuring none other than Sika Rhymes himself, the VP. Big up yourself, Sika, big up the whole Gaza, you know there's something go. Now, viewers and subscribers, a track like that is something we definitely need in times like these. Motivational music to uplift the youth them, showing them, so what you know, there are other ways out there. Don't feel like you're limited to your surroundings. Not because you are from these inner city communities doesn't mean that you cannot make life outside of your community. Food for thought. No, Skillibeng and the insects. No, as I said before, you're not getting no plainer than this. Skilly say, at the top of tavern, a SLR lift. Sharp bass bring class. The tall pen badness. Kill them faster than the butcher with assault pig. It not get no clearer than this. It doesn't get any clearer than this. Will the insect respond? Because the little shade and the shade, no, them type of songs are not the songs that we are going to consider a response track. And for your artists, we always call somebody else's name. Always try to show shade at other camps. Here is a lyrical confrontation presented at your door, even though we can't say your door because none of these artists not in a place of their own. It's like you Skilly I say east side. And when you drive through the east side, you see the word east side from places where you see people that say, yeah man, a east side Gaza, people that say, yeah man, Skillibeng our artist, our youth. When you go to Tavan, it's a whole different settings. You know, nobody who will say, yo, insects. Or I say, yo, insects are our artists. It's a different type of vibe. As a matter of fact, when we go in for them home community, a Gaza Nation ground same way. Them now have no stronghold or no foothold in them own community. So we do video over there. So we make mention of the area. It's almost like our artists are more connected in that area than even them were born and grow there. And that's just facts at this point in time. But big up Skillibeng. You know, the same track, them have a line, them say, yo, the dancehall monarchy, full of be a top artists. You have a smart. Most artists in this day and age choose to link with an artist through association, whether by paying homage, seeking a feature, or whatever the case is. But Skillibeng was blessed to be featured on Vybz Kartel's album. You know what I mean? Big up contractor them to set speed. Definitely a good look for him. Some other artists, however, have tried to attach themselves to the movement by being the opposition. I won't point this out. We have no competition in dancehall music. And in fact, there's only one nation in a dancehall music. Notice what going on with these new couple dancehall artists have found out. It's either they have copied the artist style or paid homage and acknowledged that yes, Vybz Kartel's music influenced my musical journey. There are a few artists who use the style, use the influence, but refuse to pay homage. And whenever two them feel like say one artist escaped unscathed, I never escape unscathed. We watch the fan base drop, we watch the bookings them drop. We see everything drop for him. Right now he's not even a digital artist. Nobody now look for him under the alka blinds. So for the insect of following them footsteps, show you the mental mindset with them have. Them not that wise. There's no intelligence there. They can't see it. Them not have the mental capacity to say, but wait, it would be better for me in the eyes of dancehall music, because when some of them artists are found out, the Alcafish, when them found out, we'd already see same copy Vybz Kartel style. And we never have a problem with that. We are as a young youth influenced by the teacher, we would expect nothing less. But when they got found out and I said, no, my style this, I'm gonna rate. And we are saying, no, that youth, we're done with him. How see the bookings them going? We see me have a big feature with Sean Kingston. Sean Kingston said, no, we're not is a song, we're not is an artist, we're done with them linkage there. We see the producers them drift from around them. As I say, Mr. shows and bookings, because they never go up on a tour yet. Yeah, they have never been on tour. But we see the show dates cancelled. So the promoters overseas say, yo, you do violate Vybz Kartel, we're not booking for no show over here. Ask them when last time go to Amazura. I must go them go as a patron. But then they get booked for these clubs no more. No. Unless some of the artists get booked and call them up. Like maybe a Sean Paul or a Shaggy. Because for some reason we realize that Sean Paul and Shaggy are trying to attach themselves to this artist. Maybe just because of them deep hate, or dislike, or discontent for the dancehall dominance of Vybz Kartel. We don't really know. But we see them go out of them way for try to associate themselves with that artist. And it fail. Because they don't have the lyrical talent. But you don't have the capabilities. There's no way a facade. There's no way the smoke and mirrors, the magician moves. It not gonna work. Because when the dust clears, or the smoke clears rather, people will see you for who you are. And people see like a blinds for who he is. Just like how them see insect for who he is. An artist who lack talent but found out with hype. Them found out with the hype but not the musical substance. And see a strong, capable dancehall artist. Yeah. Skillibeng say east side fit and strong. And see him found out. I drop consistent bangers and at the same time still I drop songs for sure. Say yo, who? And we are on dancehall music. And for the people who wonder why Skillibeng even put out a track like this. Him say it. The youth say him born haunted. And him don't need a referee if he go kick penalty. For him realize that for go on and that for go on, him just go out there and go do it. Big up the youth. Big up the youth. I would have said Insect is out cold. Knockout. Who? Bad Army. Big. Definitely a track. I like the whole vibe of the track. I like the music video too. If there's a hardcore song, we see him out there have fun. We see him on the quad bike go and move around. They have the GoPro on the quad bike so you get to see some different angles. Yeah, I like how I go on. I would like to see the drone them being used more so we can get the aerial view. It's a good look. Music videos I know are directors rather and the camera personnel. We're not gonna send a cameraman. Why? The camera personnel them definitely have step them game up. You know, with different scenes, aerial shots. Them have them GoPro now so you can, you know what I mean, see from different angles. That's a good look. You come a far away from just 4 people stand up on an avenue and 2 or 3 girls are wind up and one camera personnel and video that. You know what I mean? I know the music videos are in 4K. You know, the highest quality that they can get it. And just HD now, 4K. So that being said, international audiences will know feel more comfortable watching our music videos. Because for a long time, people that said the music video don't look edited. The quality wasn't really there. But now, things have stepped up. And that within itself is a good look. I'm glad to see that. I'm definitely glad to see that. Skillibeng versus Insect. Round 1 this. Because we can say, for the past couple of days, yes, Skilly has consecutively thrown out the hits. Now all of them connect. We are Insect, they make a one statement in a one song, must say, go need that or something like that. I don't listen to tracks, so I don't know the lyrical references. So that's why I never make mention of those references in this particular vlog. But, you know, it seemed to be a response track from the title in itself. But look into what I want. Because we know in dancehall music, a Skillibeng at about the most I had right now. The G say like pregnant girl, me just pint and spit. G say make the kid the beer coughing. Yo, if that like the metaphors them there. You know what I mean? The lyrical content is there and the beats. And I get some good beat, some good rhythm as well as in a dancehall music. So that being said, definitely a good look, viewers and subscribers. Talk to me in the comment section though. Let me know what your thoughts. on the Skillibeng versus Vybz Kartel, and the motivational track Skillibeng versus Intense, and the motivational track put out by Vybz Kartel himself, True Champs. Because if you notice, they get to keep the nation moving, and these inner city places and these towns where people are left out go to work, and the people who buy and sell them things, and that keep the nation's economy going. So we are the true champs. You know what I mean? And those naysayers are chumps. But it's the one called Jayden, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. I remind you, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view. I'm just listening to you, click the subscribe icon and the bell icon right after that and put it on the heart. And to the reason again, move settings from, I wouldn't need no ladder.